Hey everybody, it's January 11th, 2025. I'm going to do a quick rabbit hunt out here this afternoon. It's like 2 o'clock, and I don't know if it's going to be a quick rabbit hunt, but I'm going to do some rabbit hunting. It's 31 degrees. It's a beautiful day out. It's supposed to be beautiful tomorrow. We're going to get some snow. I wish I had some snow now. There is a little bit, but maybe not enough. But tomorrow is going to be a better day to rabbit hunt because we're supposed to get like 3 inches of snow tomorrow. So that's going to be awesome. And I'm going to try to get one or two rabbits, maybe three. I'm not going to be picky. If I can get one, I'm going to show you how I clean them or clean it. And I'll do probably a cooking video of some sort later on. So let's go rabbit hunting and sit back and enjoy this. I'm doing this for you. All right, enjoy. There goes. Missed. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Missed again. Missed another one. Boy, am I rusty. Holy cow. I ain't got many shells left. I better hit something. Finally. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh, I gotta pick up my shell. All right. This little guy was a lot of work. Whew. Oh my goodness. Finally. I don't know how long I've been out here, but I lost count on how many rabbits I saw. And I missed that one, missed two. Well, this one ain't gonna eat any more flowers. I'm gonna go right here in the pouch. Oh, put that right there. Well, everyone, this little rabbit right here kicked my butt. Like I said earlier, I missed probably two or three, saw more. I don't know what the score is, but I'm on the board as far as rabbit hunting for the season. And I finally got to scratch that itch with coming out here and rabbit hunting. Oh man, I think I was out here for about 2 hours walking around, and yeah, I'm hoping to get out tomorrow. Tomorrow I work again. I don't know how long, but with that snow coming, it's going to be a lot more fun getting out there to do some rabbit hunting. And I'm going to take this thing home, take this rabbit home. I got a bracket that was made for me by a friend of mine, and it's for squirrels, but I'm going to try using it for rabbits also. Stick around. Either I'll do a separate video of that or do it in this video. Stay tuned. Well everyone, I decided to do another video on how to clean this rabbit, and I got this bracket here that I got from a friend of mine, like I said, and I'm grateful that I've got that. This is gonna work out pretty slick. So hope you enjoyed this little hunt. It took forever, it seemed like, but I ended up coming home with a rabbit to clean up and put in the fridge, and eventually in the freezer, and then in my stomach. So, and if they say rabbit hunting's easy, it's not, especially with one person. It's quite tough. But I got spoiled a few years ago when I was younger. Within 5 minutes I was done. So 3 rabbits, 5 minutes. With that being said, stay tuned for the next video on how to clean this rabbit, and enjoy the little things.